Hello everyone, I'm NC. Welcome to Sketch Portraits by NC. In this first video, I'll show you how to draw a human head using the Loomis Method. A classic and very effective method for you to master the structure of the face. This is an important first step if you want to draw portraits, illustrate characters, or simply understand the shape of the human head. The Loomis method breaks the human head down into basic shapes, starting with a sphere for the skull, adding the jaw, and then dividing the proportions to place the eyes, nose, mouth, and ears appropriately. This method not only helps you create more standard shapes, but also trains your eyes to perceive space and perspective. Step 1. Draw the basic head form. We start with a circle. This circle represents the skull. From here, I'll draw a slight curve from top to bottom to define the midline of the face. Then, draw a jawline extending below the circle to create the overall shape of the head. Step 2. Divide the face in proportion. Now, I divide the head into 3 equal parts vertically. From the top of the head to the hairline, the first part. From the hairline to the base of the nose, the second part. And from there to the chin is the third part. This is the basic proportion of the human face. Then, I draw the eyeline in the middle of the head, then determine the position of the nose and mouth based on the divided parts. No matter what angle you draw, this ratio will always help you maintain balance. Step 3. Building the main blocks. Next, I'll build the big blocks on the face like the forehead, cheeks, jaw. You can imagine the face as a block with different planes. At the side angle, you'll see the cheek is narrower, while at the front angle, the blocks are more symmetrical. Building blocks helps you understand how light falls on the face and create depth when shading later. Step 4. Sketch the eyes, nose, mouth. Now I'll set the basic shapes for the eyes, nose, and mouth. Hello everyone, I'm NC. Welcome to Sketch Portraits by NC. The nose is a protruding rectangular block. The angle with the cheek needs to be clearly defined. The mouth is located between the nose and the chin, with the midline slightly curved depending on the angle. Pay attention to the connection between the parts. The eyes are above the eyeline. The 2 sides of the nose are aligned with the corners of the eyes. Step 5. Analyze the face in detail. Now I'm going to go into more detail, like the eyelids, the chin, the nasolabial folds. This is what makes the character come alive. In the 3/4 angle, you'll see the eyes are far apart. Remember the rules of perspective. The curve of the cheekbones, the slight wrinkles around the mouth, all create emotion in the face. Step 6. Complete the head. Finally, I refine the lines to complete the head. At this point, you should check the proportions again. See if the eyes are even, the nose is not crooked. Then, clean up the lines by emphasizing the main areas and lightly erasing unnecessary lines. The face now has depth and structure. In short, the Loomis method helps you draw heads not only with your eyes, but also with your mind on shapes and structures. You can practice by drawing many heads at different angles. The more you practice, the better you will feel the shape. Small tip: use a 2B or 4B pencil, soft drawing paper, and start with light strokes. Thank you for watching the video until the end. If you find the lesson useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell to support me and not miss the next videos. In the next video, I will guide you on how to draw eyes and mouths in more detail. See you soon on the Sketch Portraits by Nate channel.